Hello students, I am Tejaswini Jayanache. I am teaching you Organizational Behavior subject for you. In today's session, we will discuss about the syllabus. So here I explain the syllabus in short way. After that, we will discuss one by one module. Okay.
So here, as you see on the screen, here the subject is organizational behavior, and here subject code is 402, and internal mark is 20 marks, and the semester end exam marks is 80 marks. Okay. In organizational behavior, there are 5 models. First model is introduction, second model is individual behavior, and third model is attitude and perception, and fourth module is group dynamic, and fifth module is organizational culture and change. So the module 1, introduction. So here introduction of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is an academic study of how people interact within group. Okay, so here meaning of organizational behavior, and there are some elements of organizational behavior, means employee structure, technology, social systems, and environment, and natures of organizational behavior, and needs and importance of organizational behavior, and limitations of organizational behavior, and contributing disciplines to organizational behavior. Means psychology, sociology, and social psychology, economic and political politic science, and different model of organizational behavior and it's important to manage it. There are different models of organizational behavior, we will see on the later, and emerging challenges of OB. There are some challenges of OB, means improving the people skills, and improving the quality and productivity, and total quality productivity, and empowering peoples. Okay, uh, we will see on the later. And the next model, individual behavior. So here individual behavior means the meaning of individual behaviors, and there are some factors of individual behaviors and the natures of individual behaviors. There are some different natures of individual behavior. And next, self concept and personality dimensions, and the ability and personal values, and the personality. So here meaning of personality, and there are some the meaning of personality, and there and determinants of personality, and theories of personality. We will see that upcoming classes. And the next, psychoanalytical theory and erections, and big 5 models we will see on the later. And model 3, attitude and perception. So here the meaning of attitude, and there are some characteristics of attitudes and components of attitudes, and formations and its importance. There are some the formations and its importance of the attitudes we will see on the later. And the perception. So here meaning of perceptions, and there are some factors of perceptions, and there are some importance of the perceptions in organizational behavior. And stress, the meaning of stress, and there are some sources and methods of stress. Next, model number 4, group dynamic. So here the meaning of group dynamic, and there are some types of group, and the stages of group formation. There are some stages of group formations, and regions of joining group, and group norms, group cohesiveness. And here the meaning of group cohesiveness, and the difference between the group and team, and group making technology, group decision making technology. We will see that upcoming classes. Next, model number 5, organizational culture and change. So here organizational culture and change. So here meaning of the organizational culture means what is organizational culture, and there are some types of organization culture, and the creation of organization cultures and impact of culture on employee behavior. There are some impacts of the culture on employee behaviors and changing organizational culture and organizational change. So here the meaning of organization change, and there are some factors of organization change and models and dynamic of changes. There are some models of the dynamic and change, and the next one is reasons for the change, and there are some methods of the residence. Okay, so today I stop here. I explain the syllabus in a short way. The next session we will discuss the first module. Okay.